Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, Garima Bhandari, and I'm super excited today because I'm going to review this magical product by Dyson. It is the Dyson Airwrap for volume and shape, and specifically designed and engineered, I would say, for those people who have no volume in the hair, somebody like me who has limp hair, straight hair, and you cannot do anything about it. This is the game changer product, guys, because this gives you salon like curls and super volume that stays all day long in less than a minute, or I would say less than 5 minutes. Let's jump into the video. So let's unbox this product first and see what's inside this magical box. And it looks so nice. It comes with 2 barrels. It comes with a pro styling dryer, not like the supersonic, but actually like a free dryer with this complete box, and also has a smoothing brush to give you an instant lift, and also a round volumizing brush to give your curls that perfect stay. And then comes the magical box. And this is the inside of the box, guys. It comes in this really luxurious tan color box packing. I think it looks amazing to even store it like this. I'm not sure if this is really travel friendly because it is really heavy. And let's see what's inside now. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly remove all the top parts. And what I have inside is this, guys. I think it has these 2 barrels. It has that magical brush that I was talking about. It has this dryer attachment. It comes like this, and the round brush. This one. Wow, so many attachments in just one. And this, guys, is the base where you attach all the other attachments that come in the box. The most important ones are these 2 round barrels. Now, depends on your hair type, you can use it, and the best part is that it is for both the sides of your hair, the left side and the right side. Isn't that so cool? I'm so excited to try it right now, so let's get started right away. So let's start by putting the attachment for the left side first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to also lock this product. There's a sign here which says lock and unlock. So once you've attached the product on the top, you're supposed to secure it by putting this lock here, and then you have these buttons. So it's a power on and power off button right here. So I'm going to start by securing my hair first. So as you can see, I've taken one small section of my hair on the left hand side, and I'm going to put this magical tongue on, and it's like a vortex, you know, it's like a whirlpool. It just magically drapes the hair around it on its own. Let's see how. Wow, isn't this lovely? So much volume, so much lift, and almost salon-like hair at home. Let's try the other sections. Guys, this is a magical product. I'm just wondering why I didn't get my hands on this before, because every time you go out, your outfit ready, your makeup ready, what happens to your hair? Wow, so easy, so nice. I can't get over my locks right now. So as you can see, guys, I've curled almost all my hair. Now I'm just left with this final section. So I'm gonna hold it on the right side and just gonna go behind the hair. Open the magical curl, and the last one. And this, you guys, is my last. Okay. So here it is. the final look, guys. Put the sides here, and now to secure my curls so that it lasts me whole day long, I'm just gonna go and spray my hair with some setting spray. And today I have this Kevin Murphy session spray with me. I have the miniature travel bottle with me. I'm gonna shake it a bit, shut my eyes, go all over. I use so much hairspray because my hair is really limp, it's really straight, and to let my curls stay in place all day long, I really need that much of spray. And also, like, you can just gently open up your curls with your hands or fingers later. And I like to do that because it gives a very softer, beachy wave kind of a look. And this, you guys, is my final look made with this magical product Dyson Airwrap Volume and Shape, which is specially designed for limp, volumeless hair to give them this kind of a lift, salon like lift, I would say, anytime, anywhere at the comfort of your home. And if you like my video, subscribe on the red icon below. Also comment in the comment section below that how do you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and I'm waiting to hear all from you guys. And if you're a new subscriber, press on the bell icon link so that you can get the first hand notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for so much love. Bye.